So, if you're a small business owner or starting out a business, you must be absolutely overwhelmed with marketing, right? This is the case with most people.
Yeah.
We have Simon Farrar here, and he will share some top tips about marketing and how it can be a little bit easier for you. Simon, what's your advice?
Right. Okay. First of all, I would just talk to the situation you might be finding yourself in. So, if you're just starting up a business or you're running a small business, you are probably realizing I need to learn quite a bit about marketing. The challenge there can be there's a lot of jargon in marketing, a lot of new terminology you need to get used to. There's a lot of new technology coming your way in the digital marketing space. We're being bombarded by AI now, and
It's a lot.
you're probably getting advice from a whole lot of sources. You'll read blogs, it'll tell you to do this. You'll talk to people, they'll tell you to do that. So as a person new to marketing who's running a small business, it can get a bit confusing and just do your head in, and you can get a bit paralysis by analysis, by getting overwhelmed.
So what do we do when we start?
Flee? No. So I've got today a handy little checklist, a criteria list to just help you cut through things and simplify things when you're making a marketing decision. If you want to simplify it and boil it right down, there's only 3 things that you really need to be keeping on top of with marketing. One is getting new customers.
Yep.
Two is getting the customers you've got to spend more with you more often. And 3 is getting the customers you've got to stay with you for longer. Obviously, you might not be having to focus on all 3 of those at any one time. If you're just starting up, it might be focusing on just getting customers. But my advice to you would be to take those 3 things, and whenever you have to make a marketing decision, to just use those as your filter criteria. So whenever you're thinking, should I spend time or money in this marketing activity? If a marketing person recommends doing something to you, run it through the filter of, in a measurable way that I can quantify, will doing this activity either get me more customers, get the customers I've got to spend more with me more often, or get the customers I've got to stay with me longer. So that's the best cutting through all the confusion checklist I can give you to help make better marketing decisions as a small business owner.
Thank you so much. That's a really good one, because otherwise people are just chasing for new and we don't know what that will bring. And when we have the given ones, it's really good to go with that. So thank you so much for those tips.
No problems.
Yeah, I hope you can implement that, and good luck with your marketing. We'll be back with more business tips later.
Good luck, everyone.
Bye.